How to crossplay Minecraft Dungeons, PS5 and Xbox. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Minecraft Dungeons with your friends across different platforms, especially from a PlayStation 5 to an Xbox. It's quick, it's easy, and by the end of the tutorial, you'll be connected and ready to fight through the dungeons together. Step 1. Sign in with a Microsoft account. First, launch Minecraft Dungeons on your PS5. On the main menu, make sure you sign in with the Microsoft account. If you're not, you'll see an option to sign in with Microsoft account. Follow the link and code instructions on screen to link your account. Step 2. Add your friend using their gamer tag. Once signed in, go to the Friends tab from the main menu. Select Add a Microsoft Friend. Now, type your friend's Xbox gamer tag. That's the Microsoft account name. Send the friend request and wait for them to accept. Step 3. Accept the invite. On the Xbox, your friend should also launch Minecraft Dungeons. They will go to the Friends tab, find your invite, and accept. Now you're both connected to the Microsoft accounts. Step 4. Start a crossplay session. Either of you can now create an online game from the main menu. Invite your friend from the friends list by selecting their name. Once they accept, you're in. Now you can start the dungeon adventure together, PS5 and Xbox. No problem. Quick tips. Make sure both games are updated to the latest version. You must use a Microsoft account for crossplay to work. If you're having trouble connecting, try restarting your game or console. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to crossplay Minecraft Dungeons between PS5 and Xbox. If you found the tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.